Ano yan?
Inhale mo na. Kami magkuhan.
So, our next assessment for today is assessing ears and hearing. So, we're gonna introduce ourselves to the patient. So, good evening, ma'am. My name is Marisol Berti, and I will be your student nurse for today from University of St. Anthony. So, after that, we're gonna verify our client's identity. Ma'am, can you cite your name?
I'm Salvacion T.
So, we have verified our client's identity. And after that, we're gonna state the purpose of this assessment to the patient. So, our assessment for today, ma'am, is assessing the ear and hearing. So, this assessment, ma'am, will give us any information or any abnormalities and information about your ears and especially your hearing. And after that, we're gonna provide client privacy by closing the windows, doors, and the curtains. And after that, we're gonna inquire for any pain history, ma'am, of your ears or hearing problems.
None.
So, there is none. So, after that, we're gonna inspect the ears of mom using a otoscope. So, we're gonna inspect the ear canals. So, we're gonna show we have otoscope. So, it's completely normal. And after that, we're gonna palpate the auricle by pushing it forward, up, and down for elasticity. And the other one, pushing it forward, up, and down for elasticity. And we're gonna check it with the otoscope. We're gonna check the ear canal of mom with the otoscope for any colors, asymmetry, and other stuff. And after that, once we have inspect mom's ear canal and the auricle, so we're gonna inspect for the size of symmetry of the ear and the other one. So it's completely normal. And so the next test is we're gonna do the hearing test. So ma'am, we're gonna do a hearing test. Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
And we're gonna go from the other side. Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
So how was the test, ma'am? It is normal?
Yes, normal.
How's your hearing? It is normal? It's okay naman?
Okay.
So we have concluded that mom's hearing is completely normal. And after that, we're gonna document all the findings that we have gathered from mom. And these findings that we have documented will be beneficial for us, especially for later inspection.